Hey guys, welcome back to another tech video. DJI just officially announced the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And if you are thinking of upgrading from the previous Pocket models, watch this first. I got a chance to go hands on with it here in Singapore. So I'll show you what's actually new and whether it's worth upgrading. And if you like the hands on tech content like this, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. So let's waste no more time and let's get started. So starting with the design, honestly, it's very similar to Pocket 3. Same compact size, same overall look. But once you hold it, it feels slightly more refined. And here are the small usability changes that you will notice. Here are some of the key upgrades. This time with the Pocket 4, you get a 10-bit D-Log. So you get much more flexibility in editing and color grading. On top, you also get ActiveTrack 7, which is more stable and accurate compared to Pocket 3, which has Active 6. This time you also get 107 GB of built-in storage, so you don't always need an SD card. And you're also getting a 14 stops of dynamic range, so highlights and shadows are handled much better when compared to Pocket 3, which had only 12 stops. These are the upgrade that actually makes a difference in the real world usage. So talking about the core camera specification, apart from that, we get a 1-inch CMOS sensor with f2.0 aperture. But this time with Pocket 4, you can shoot up to 4K 240 FPS. So the base camera itself is already very strong. And the low light performance is improved as well. This time with Pocket 4, you also get a new film tone, so the footage just looks more cinematic straight out of the camera. Well, talking the new features or the hardware changes on the Osmo Pocket 4 are the physical buttons. Yes, this time you get not just one but two physical buttons under the screens. One of the button is used for zoom controls and the second button is the custom C button. So you can customize your button based on your needs. So everything will be faster and much convenient to use with these two addition of physical buttons. This time the DJI also has added the gesture controls like the palm to start tracking and a V sign to start or stop recording. Talking about the battery life is almost same or equally good as your Pocket 3. So talking about the Pocket 3 versus Pocket 4. So when you compare the DJI Pocket 3, this is not a redesign. It's a refinement. Better color, better tracking, better usability. If you already have the Pocket 3, then it is not a must upgrade. But if you are someone who is buying new, Pocket 4 is a better choice. Well, talking about the Pocket 4, this time we also see some of the accessories that are designed specifically for Pocket 4. Now there is a new fill light which snaps on instantly and you get both the white and warm tones. And this is very handy when you're shooting in low lights. DJI also has developed a new locking system. It's a clip-on lock. Protects the camera when carrying, which was a big headache with the Pocket 3, where the camera gimbal used to turn when you're keeping this inside your bag. So overall, everything is quick and easy to use. Talking about pricing, the pricing is about 599 Singapore dollars for the base version and 759 Singapore dollars for creator combo. The pre-orders has already gone live and it should be available from 22nd April. So overall, the Pocket 4 improves what actually matters with the Pocket 3. But I'm curious, what do you think? Do you wish to upgrade or wish to skip? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like. And also please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you more useful content in the future. So until next time, see you.